Are you making these 7 common smoothie mistakes? Are you finding that your smoothies are turning out chunky, bland, or just plain unappetizing? You are not alone. Many people inadvertently make common mistakes when blending fruits and vegetables, ending up with less than perfect results. Today, we're here to help you uncover these pitfalls and transform your smoothie making skills. Get ready to say goodbye to smoothie fails forever. The quest for a perfect smoothie is one every health enthusiast embarks upon. Smoothies are not just a refreshing blend of fruits and vegetables, they represent nourishment, creativity, and a burst of flavors in every sip. Yet, achieving that creamy, delicious texture and taste remains elusive for some. Let's change that today by exploring the top 7 mistakes you might be making, and more importantly, how to correct them. First on our list is the all-too-common mistake of overloading your smoothie with ice. While ice adds a refreshing chill, too much of it can dilute your smoothie, leaving it watery and bland. Instead, achieve the desired coolness by using frozen fruit or a smaller amount of ice. A well-balanced smoothie should be a symphony of flavors, not dominated by one overpowering ingredient. Many people go wrong by adding too much of one fruit or vegetable, leading to an unbalanced taste. The trick is to combine complementary flavors. Consider pairing naturally sweet fruits such as bananas with greens like spinach or kale for a delightful balance. Remember, a little experimentation goes a long way in discovering your perfect blend. We've all been tempted to pack the blender to its brim to yield a larger batch of smoothie. However, overfilling leads to uneven blending, resulting in a chunky texture. It's crucial to understand your blender's capacity and limitations. Filling it only 3/4 full ensures smoother blending and better texture. For larger batches, blend in sections or invest in a high-capacity blender. The type of liquid used can significantly affect the smoothie's texture and flavor profile. Water, while calorie-free, may leave your smoothie thin and tasteless. Instead, opt for milk, almond milk, coconut water, or even fruit juice, depending on the desired flavor and creaminess. Believe it or not, the order in which you place ingredients into the blender affects the outcome. Liquids should always go first to lubricate the blades, followed by softer ingredients, greens, and finally, frozen fruits and ice. This sequence promotes better circulation and blending, preventing the dreaded clumpy smoothie. Freshness is key to a tasty smoothie. Using low-quality or out-of-season ingredients can result in a less vibrant and flavorful drink. Always choose fresh, ripe fruits and vegetables when possible. Consider visiting local farmers markets for seasonal produce that not only tastes better but also supports sustainable practices. Rushing through the blending process can leave your smoothie with unpleasant chunks. Patience is essential. Blend for at least 1 to 2 minutes to ensure smooth, creamy consistency. If your blender has a preset smoothie function, use it to eliminate guesswork and achieve consistent results each time. Boosting the nutritional value of your smoothies is easy with the right ingredients. Adding superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, or spirulina can improve nutritional density without affecting taste. Don't be afraid to incorporate greens such as kale or spinach. Their mild flavor is easily masked by fruits. Having the right tools is crucial for achieving perfect smoothies. While a high-quality blender is an obvious choice, consider accessories like tamper tools to help mix stubborn ingredients or personal-sized blenders for single servings. Investing in good equipment can make a significant difference and produce professional results at home. Crafting delicious smoothies involves finding complementary flavor combinations. Try mixing berries with bananas or mango with coconut for tropical flair. Citrusy flavors like orange mix well with greens, enhancing both taste and nutritional content. The possibilities are endless. If achieving the perfect creamy texture eludes you, consider adding ingredients like yogurt, avocado, or silken tofu. These items lend creaminess without the need for excessive fat or sugar, maintaining the desired healthy aspect of your smoothie. Smoothies can be customized to suit various dietary needs. Offer options for dairy-free, gluten-free, or low-sugar diets by substituting problematic ingredients with suitable alternatives. Almond milk, for example, is a great dairy substitute, while honey or agave can replace sugar. Smoothies need not be expensive to be nutritious. Buying in bulk, using seasonal produce, and opting for frozen fruits can greatly reduce costs. Remember, large portions of fruits can be frozen for later use, preventing waste and allowing you to enjoy out-of-season fruits year-round. Keeping your smoothie fresh is as crucial as making it delicious. If you prepare smoothies ahead of time, store them in airtight containers to preserve flavor and nutritional value. Refrigerate for up to 24 hours, or freeze for longer storage, though textures may change slightly upon thawing. Using seasonal produce not only enhances flavor but also ensures maximum nutritional benefits. In summer, enjoy berries and peaches, while in winter, turn to citrus fruits and root vegetables. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are typically more affordable and sustainable. Encountering problems such as foam on top? Or a mixture that's too thick? These issues are common but easily solved. For foam, blending at a lower speed for a few seconds can help. If it's too thick, add a splash more liquid and blend lightly until the desired consistency is achieved. Encourage creativity by creating unique smoothie recipes tailored to your taste preferences. Start with a base you enjoy and layer in ingredients step by step. This process allows for tweaking and refining to develop the perfect personal recipe. Tasting your smoothie before serving is vital. If it's not quite right, don't hesitate to adjust. Remember, a well-balanced smoothie should enhance your enjoyment. Let's debunk a few myths. Firstly, not every smoothie needs to include exotic superfoods to be healthy. Also, more ingredients don't always mean better flavor or nutrition. Simplicity often yields the most enjoyable smoothies. We'd love to hear from you. Drop your smoothie questions or share your favorite recipes in the comments. Interaction is key to learning and improving, and we're here to support your smoothie journey. Let's hear from those who've successfully transformed their smoothie making skills. Whether it's testimonials from followers or a personal story, these anecdotes can be motivating for new enthusiasts just starting out. Incorporate tips from wellness experts and nutritionists who specialize in smoothie preparations. These insights can offer valuable perspectives and enhance the learning experience for viewers. Visual demonstrations of each step can be invaluable. Use engaging visuals to show techniques, ingredient measurements, and textural differences to help viewers grasp the concepts being discussed. Encourage further exploration with recommended reading or resources. Offer book titles, websites, or social media channels that provide additional recipes, tips, and community support for smoothie lovers. Summarize the key points discussed, reinforcing the knowledge gained. Highlight the importance of avoiding these common mistakes to achieve delicious, nutritious smoothies. Highlight the importance of avoiding these common mistakes to achieve delicious, nutritious smoothies. Now it's your turn to put these tips into practice. Share your results, pictures, and any questions you have. Engage with our community for continuous improvement and support in your smoothie journey. Conclude with an inspiring message on the joys and health benefits of smoothies. Remind viewers of the creative possibilities and the path to enjoying a vibrant, nutritious lifestyle through delicious drinks. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and recipes, and follow us on our other social media platforms. Until next time, keep blending and enjoy your newfound smoothie mastery.